Good morning, sir. My name is Kehinde Olamide Oluwasegun, and I'm from Oyatogun Oil and Gas Consultant. Um, Also, my project manager is Odusoya Ayo Maria. So I'm here to give a presentation on the part I played as part of the Oyatogun Oil and Gas Consultant on the Schuchtman gas condensate field development. So my presentation goes thus. So for this assignment, I worked on the Schuchtman gas condensate field development, focusing mainly on the subsea field layout design and line size calculations using API RP14E guidelines. Yes, also moving on to my contribution. My key task was to calculate the distances between major subsea components such as wellheads, manifolds, risers, and the host facility to create a realistic field layout. I used the coordinate geometry distance formula, that is which goes thus: distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Okay, so this was the particular formula I used to get the distances based on the coordinates given in the Schuchtman guidelines given to us. So now, why it was important? Accurate distance calculations are critical. They are very critical because they directly impact pipeline sizing, flow assurance, and overall system safety. Using the proper method helped us estimate pressure drops correctly, determine material needs, and avoid under or over designing the pipelines. So also, for the general project summary, the main goal of the project was to ensure that pipelines and subsea infrastructures were appropriately sized to handle the expected feed flow rate safely and economically. We applied API RP14 standards to determine suitable flow line sizes, checked erosional velocity limits, and make sure the designs would perform reliably under subsea conditions. During the project, we encountered some challenges such as dealing with limited feed data and balancing technical accuracy with cost efficiency. However, by applying sound engineering principles, especially in the early layout and distance calculations, we managed to overcome these challenges and produce a practical and complement design. Also, for the final reflection, working on distance calculation based on me gave me a deep understanding of how crucial accurate field layouts are for the overall success of subsea projects. It also reinforced the importance of applying engineering standards and practical methods early in the design process to avoid future complications. So, looking at based on this particular demonstration of control to teamwork, I actually found out that based on this my contribution, because this calculating the layout or determining the layout, working on layout was actually very, very essential to the project as a whole. So I was the first person to actually work on the layout so that I can actually give a major contribution to my teammates or to the people I'm working together with. So looking at this particular slide here, I was given this particular coordinate points, and I was able to calculate their distance using that particular formula. Thank you very much, sir.